So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can plan, schedule and automate your Instagram posts so you don't have to worry each and every time to post pictures, and you can be consistent and you can get targeted organic Instagram followers easily. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar. I create a lot of Instagram tutorials, how to get hyper targeted Instagram followers and how to make money with Instagram. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So guys, I'll go straight to the point. So you need to log in with Later. So basically Later is an app you can use on your phone or you can use on your website. So again, how do you plan, schedule and automate your posts? So the best software is Later. So it's a phone app as well as it has a website as well. So again, all you have to do is go on Later. So now as you could see on the screen, all you have to do is just click Later, Later. So that's the first one. So that's the first one. Later's world's favorite Instagram marketing platform. So once you click on it, so this is how it is. You need to log in. So again, once I log in, so this is how it is, guys. So these are my pictures. If I want to post on my Instagram page, all I have to do is just drag and drop over here. I can write the caption. I can get hashtag suggestion. If I write Dubai, I can get all the hashtag suggestions. It's easy, and that's it. And you can save, and that's it. You are done. So if I just do save, that's it. The pictures over here now, which I don't want to post. So if I don't want to post, I can just delete it, and that's it. So it has everything over here. You can load all your pictures through your phone. It has a media library. It has analytics. Okay, and this is paid. Okay, so usually it's $12 per month, but if you sign in with my link, the link is down below, so you'll get, I think so, free 30 posts, and I'll get some commission as well. So you can go and check it out, the link. And that's it, guys. This is the best, what I feel from my experience is the best app which you could use to schedule. There are more as well, but for now, currently for me, whatever I use, I try to share it with my followers as well, because for me it's helping other people out. So this is the best tool which I could say. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you would like to learn more about how to get hyper targeted Instagram followers or how you could make your followers into paying customers, check out my free course. Okay, so guys, if you have a lot of followers and if you're not making money on Instagram, you're doing it wrong, check out my free course, and the link is down below. And that's it, guys. I will see you in the next video.